Hi, I'm David Inman, the Chief Operating Officer here at Kennected, and I'm excited to show you the technology that we've used to become one of the Inc. 500 fastest growing companies in America, and that over 18,000 of our customers have used, including realtors, financial advisors, coaches and consultants, software companies, and about any other industry you can think of to improve their prospecting, their recruiting, and grow their businesses. Kennected is an all-inclusive sales enablement platform that helps with everything from finding your leads, reaching out to your prospects, enriching data, and even setting the meetings. Let me show you what it looks like. One of my biggest irritations, and one that's shared by nearly everyone I've talked to, is purchasing a technology that looks incredible, only to find out you have no idea how to use it. I don't have enough time to self-educate myself, and neither do our customers. That's why every Kennected customer gets a personalized one-on-one onboarding experience with one of our dedicated account managers. In this, they will not only show you how to use the technology, but they'll help ensure your success by jumping on and showing you how to set up your first campaign, how to find your ideal audience, how to enrich your data, helping you write messaging that converts, and even helping you update and optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now let's jump into KennectedReach. The first step is to click here on Create New Campaign, where you're given two options, Simple and Smart Campaigns. You'll notice that if you click Simple, it gives you an easy, no-fluff way of designing a campaign that includes everything from connecting with your prospect, sending a message, enriching data, and even personalizing videos to send to your ideal customers. You have full control over your messages and can make them as personalized as you want. And just in case you need some help getting started, you can always click on the best practices to access our extensive library of proven messaging that you can customize to your business. You can even preview how the message will look to your prospects before sending it. Not only can you do everything that we looked at in the simple campaign, but you can make actions conditional on things like whether or not they connected with you, if they have their email listed, if they clicked on a link that you sent them, or if they have an open profile that allows you to send in-mails even if you are out of credits for the month and aren't yet connected. This is also where you can easily set up split testing to determine which campaigns and messaging perform best with your audience. Kennected will generate tasks for you to review, which allows you to approve or deny each step within your campaign. This feature is particularly invaluable as it enables you to personalize your targeting and ensures that you're engaging with the appropriate audience at the appropriate time. Since we may pull lists from over 1,000 prospects, it's impractical to manually vet the entire list before uploading into the tool. These tasks protect you by ensuring that you're reaching out to the right individuals and delivering the right message. In this tab, you can also quickly see where your prospects are in your campaign, what type of activity has taken place, and most importantly, approve the tasks to be sent out through the tool. You can even directly message them from this page. And if you run into a prospect that doesn't have their email and phone number listed, simply click Enrich, and we'll pull from our database of over 900 million records to help you find the right point of contact. Next, we'll click over to the inbox, where you have easy access to LinkedIn messages and your email correspondence with your prospects. No more getting lost wondering if and where they may have responded to you. You can sort the messages by interactions that have taken place, campaign title, activity times, status, and even your own labels to keep everything organized. We don't have time to dive into every feature of KennectedReach right now, but rest assured that whether you're a team of one or an enterprise of 1,000, this gives you comprehensive reports that will help you make data-driven decisions, settings that help you customize the types and times of outreach, templates that improve your efficiency, and the ability to integrate with your favorite sales tools and CRMs. By this point, your thoughts are probably going one of two directions. The first is this is exactly what you're looking for and you're ready to get started. If that's the case, click down below and get started and you're good to go. If, however, you'd like to see a more thorough demo or you've got some questions, it's very easy to schedule a time with one of our experts. Simply click down below and book a demo and we'll find the perfect time that works on your schedule. Enjoy connecting, and we're glad that we get to work with you to save time and simplify opportunity.